Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to install a Google Play Store on HUAWEI Nova 13 Pro. Let's begin. As you probably know, the Google Play Store is not installed in any way by default on your HUAWEI phone. So in order to actually use anything Google related, you have to go into App Gallery, and in here you want to find Gspace. You want to hit install at the bottom, and then after it's installed you click open and you click start. You have to allow Gspace to make and manage phone calls and to access media on your device. And also you will need to download the necessary kits. Basically what Gspace does is it allows you to use Google Play Store, for example, by hosting the clone of this application on your phone via network. So you will have to be connected into your Wi-Fi in order to use it, and now we have to also allow app installs. And as you can see, necessary permissions are not enabled, so we simply click it, and as you can see we need to disable the battery optimization for Gspace. And in here you can see a few different applications, and in the very top left corner we can see our Google Play Store. We hit it, and as you can see now the Google Play Store is opening. We can always ignore those ads here, you should not click it. And as you can see, we are now in Google Play Store. However, it is still a Gspace application. It is not actually a Google Play Store, as there is no way, I think, for you to install in a legit way a Google Play Store, as the phone will automatically won't basically let you use it. So now we want to log into our Google account. And fun fact, you don't have to manually type in the gmail.com, etc. And now I will input my password here. And now we are going through the configuration. So I will be using this device. I agree to the terms of service. I can disable backup, though you can enable it. And now, as you can see, we are in a legit version of the Google Play Store, in which we can download every other application. However, as you can see, we are still not in the Google Play Store itself. We are just in a copy of it made by Gspace. And now we can just search for whatever you like, for example, YouTube. And everything installed in the Google Play Store will be installed and then opened via Gspace. So that's how you actually get yourself the Google Play Store. As you can see, we can try to search for it, and there is just nothing Google related currently on this phone. Now we can go back to Gspace, and I believe if we go here, now I thought you can actually extract. You can just move it around. So everything Google related will be basically stuck inside your Gspace, though I would advise you to actually log in right here, so you don't have to manually log in each time when you open a new Google related application. So that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.